Hello students, welcome back. Class 8th class. Today I am taking your online class. Okay, so chapter 1 and chapter 2 already completed. Now I am taking chapter 3, list and HTMLs in list and tables in HTML. Okay, you can see my mouse pointer. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. This language is used to create web page. Okay, but in web page we must use list and tables. So, what is the objective of this chapter? We can understand list and its types. We can design web page using ordered and unordered list. Appreciate the concept of nested list. Nested list means list inside list. Understand the need of tables and learn to use them. Tables means inside table we have row and columns and we will use particular text to create our tables. Learn to insert rows, headers and data in the tables. Appreciate the need of formatting the table. Formatting means we can decorate our table. Realize the importance of image in the design of a table. Okay students, so first we start list. Okay, so we can say list tag. Okay, so you can already see the HTML tag, paragraph tag, but today I am discussing about list tag. Okay, in angle bracket we can use UL means unordered list. Unordered list, so we can say this will list item using plain bullets. Okay, we can use plain bullets. And OL means ordered list. This will use different scheme of numbers, means 1 2 3 4. This type of serial number we can use to make a list of HTML web page. So this will use different scheme of number to list the items. Okay, now you can see it. So in our notes you can see unordered list and ordered list. Okay, in unordered list, so we can say an unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order. Okay, we can use particular design, and this list is created by using UL tag. Okay, we must use UL tag for unordered list. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. Bullet means we can use particular design. Before every individual item we have to use LI tag. LI means list tag. Different design of bullets can be used in a list. Okay, I am giving some example to clear these things. Default bullet style is disk. Disk means unfilled circle. Okay, it is a container tag. Okay, it is a container tag. Container tag means we can use start tag and opening tag and closing tags. So in closing tag we can use hash. Okay, in angular bracket. So the type of attribute is specify the design of bullet to be used in unordered list. So this type of attribute we can use. Suppose disk, a filled circle we will use, a circle and unfilled circle we will use, and square we can use a filled square. But in the counterpart we can use order list, we can use serial number. So an order list is a collection of related items that have numbered. This list is created by using OL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a number and alphabet. Okay, we can use 1 2 3 4 ABCD. Before every individual item we have to use LI tag. LI tag means list tag. Different style of numbering can be used in a list. We can use 1 2 3 4 ABCD. Okay, it is a container tag, and at the end of this the list we have to type OL. OL means closing. We can use closing. OL means order list. The attribute of order list, only two attributes we can use, start and type. Start means we can use number, alphabet, number, where to start. Suppose by default 1 2 3 4 starting. So specify the start value of an order list, or we can use type attribute. Specify the kind of numbering to be. Suppose we can use 1 2 3 4, we can use ABCD. Okay, so this kind of thing we can use. So here I want to change We can use one, we can use ABCD, we can use Roman number, okay, Roman number we can use, okay. So we can use this type of alphabets, numbers, capital letters. We can also use this type of list, we can use. Okay students, so you can see we have two lists, or unordered list and ordered list. Unordered we can use UL, order we can use OL. But here I am giving some example to understand this topic. Okay, so I am taking a very simple example. You can see an unordered list, okay, bullet list. Example, suppose red, green, blue. So this is our list, red color, green color and blue color. But before you can see a dark circle, okay. So this design we can say unordered list, we can say bulleted list. So what is the HTML code of this data? Okay, this we can say unordered because there is no serial number, only design. So in above example, dark circle is unordered. So to create this output we can use UL tag. Okay, UL means unordered list, and type we can mention disk. Okay, for this we can use disk. So in UL opening tag we can use the attribute type is equal to disk, and then we can close the angle bracket. Here we have three items, red, green, blue. So first is we can use LI. LI means first item, list, red. Then we can close. Then we can press enter. Then we again use LI. We can use green. Then again close. So green you can use. Again we can use blue. But before we can use LI, and then we can close LI, and finally we can close this UL. Okay. So this is our HTML code, and when you run this code you will get this output. So very simple coding. Okay, but here I am changed something. Here I am using 1 2 3. So this is a serial number, so we can say order list, number list. So in our above example 1 2 3 is order number list. Okay, so same code you can copy and paste. Same code you can copy and paste. Only one thing, you can use O instead of U. You can use O and O. Only one thing. But here 1 2 3 4. So here we can use type is equal to 1. 1 means this is a number list, and LI this is a same thing. You can repeat. LI means first item red, LI means list, second item green, and LI means blue. So only one thing which when you use UL, so it will give design, and type you can decide disk. When you use OL and type you can mention 1 means 1 2 3, so it will give 1 2 3. So for this output you can write this HTML code. Okay student, but here I am giving some new example. Suppose you want to use this type of design, so for this purpose, this type of design, okay, so we can use for this design we can use so here I am changing our output. So you can say here I am using only unfilled circle. We can say unfilled circle. Here we can say A, B and C. Here we can say A, B, C. Here I am changing A, B, C. Okay. So for this output here I am changing. So you can see in this example you can see here I am giving. Okay. So example here you can see here I am using only unfilled circle. Okay. So same code you can copy and same code you can paste. So here last time here I am using disk. So this is our disk. But here I want to change this design. So here I am using circle. Here disk, here I am using circle. So when you type circle, so you can see circle, you will get this output. Other thing is as it is you can use red, green, blue and LI. This is common. Okay. Last time you have seen 1 2 3 because here I am using 1, but here I am using A, B, C. So here I am using type is equal to A. Okay. When you use type is equal to A, other thing is same because this is OL. OL means order list. This is a particular order. And so when you use type A, so it will give red, green and blue. So you can, here I am using ABC, here I am using unfilled circle. Okay, other code is same. Okay, now next example, same example here I am using. Okay, so you can see here, you can see square, here you can see dark square. Okay, here you can see, here we are using Roman number, here I am using Roman number. Okay, so you can see here I am using square and here I am using Roman number. So you can see here, you can see square. So here I am using only one change, type is equal to square. When you use type is equal to square and UL means this is our node serial number, and LI means red, green, blue, then other code is same, but here I am using square. So you can see square output, you can see. Here you can see first, second, third. So here I am only one change, type is equal to I. So I will give Roman numbers, first, second and third. So we can say ordered number list, but in Roman number. So here I am using only one change I, but OL means order list. Other thing LI, this is no need to change. So only one change here I am changing type. When you use type square and UL, so you will get this output. When you use OL and I, so you will get first, second and third. Okay, this is very simple thing. So for this output we can use this HTML code. For this output we can use this HTML code. Only thin line change. Now here I am giving dark circle. Okay, so in this you can use we can use dark circle. Okay, so here we can here I am showing one new thing. Okay, so this could be already discussed. This is only revision purpose. This is only revision purpose. Okay, because this is our unordered list, so we can use UL and opening UL and closing UL. Type we can use here disk. Okay, then we close. There our first item is red, in between LI opening and closing we can use red. Green, in between LI opening and closing we can use green, and blue, and then there is no item, so we can close this URL tag. So we already discussed. But here new thing is, here you can see here 1 2 3 4 note. Here you can see 4 5 6. So here I am using new tag start. Okay, type means here type means number 1 2 3 4, but where to start? So here I am using new tag, a new attribute start. Start is equal to 4. So it will give result for red, green. So we can change, okay, the starting number with the help of start attribute. Okay, and this must be number. So here I am using type is equal to 1. So here new attribute is start. Okay, other thing is same, red, green, blue. So we can also change the we can also start in middle. We can list our data in middle. So start we can extra we can use. Okay students, now here you can see, here I am using nesting example, unordered list but nesting example. Here you can see ordered list but nesting example. You can see in Rajasthan 2 cities, Udaipur and Jaipur. In Gujarat state 2 cities, Rajkot and Mithapur. But this list I want to use in dark circle and unfilled circle, because in Rajasthan inside 2 cities, Udaipur and Jaipur. In Gujarat, so here we use nesting, means Rajasthan list here inside 2 list, here Gujarat list inside 2 list. So this is our sub list. Rajkot and Mithapur, this is a sub list. Udaipur and Jaipur, this is a sub list of Rajasthan. But here I am using the serial number 1 for Rajasthan. In Rajasthan 2 cities, A Udaipur, B Jaipur. Second state is our Gujarat. So first city of Gujarat A is Rajkot and Mithapur. To get this output, what is the HTML code? But here you can see here list inside list. Here list inside list. So we can say nesting. We can say nesting. So for this output, we can use this HTML code. Okay. So first we use UL type is equal to disk. So you can see this is our disk, this is our disk. Okay. But in first disk, the first item is Rajasthan. So here I am using LI Rajasthan. Okay. So Rajasthan opening and closing. But in Rajasthan again sub list. So here again I am here using UL type is equal to circle. Okay. and the first item is Udaipur and second item is Jaipur, and I want to close the Rajasthan tag. Okay. Now next is Gujarat. So here I am using again LI Gujarat, but in Gujarat again sub list. So here I am again using UL type circle. LI means first item is Rajkot and second item is our Mithapur. Okay. Then UL tag we can close and our Gujarat LI tag will close, and finally our main route tag will close. So to here list inside sub list. So for this purpose we can use this type of HTML code. So same code you can copy and paste. Same code you can copy and paste. Here you can use U, but here you can use, instead of U you can use O and O. Nothing to change. Here you can use O and O. Here is U and U. So here you can use O and O. Okay, so one change is here you can see 1 and 2. So here we can replace type is equal to 1. Here type is equal to this, but here I am using 1. So you can see 1 and 2 will automatically generate. But inside you can see A and B, A and B. So here Rajasthan inside we can use OL type is equal to A. So here, so we can Udaipur and Jaipur you can see A and B. Okay, other thing you can see as it is, but in next Gujarat. So automatically 2 with the help of this type. And inside A and B, so here in Gujarat we can another sublist, so here we can use type is equal to A. So another Rajkot and Mithapur you can see. So this is our advanced example of nesting. Okay, so comparatively you can see very thin line difference. Okay students, thank you so much.